Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update outdated templates in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are on your admin panel in WordPress. And here we are going to follow this guide that will allow us to update template changes. So as you can see here, in those are the steps to take to update the outdated templates in WooCommerce. So basically, we need to go to the WooCommerce status and system status, and then when uh, we need just to scroll to the end of the page where there is a list of templates overridden by your theme, and there is some warnings to be changed. So basically here we need just to go to setting status, and from there we need just to go system status and search in the place where there is some scroll down to our templates. So as you can see here, those are the post type count, security, active plugins, inactive plugins, settings, etc., WooCommerce pages, and themes. So as you can see, there is nothing or with templates or outdated templates. And simply, whenever you have this problem, you will need just to save a backup of the outdated templates, and you will need just to go to the WP content or the path where there is this template, and then you should paste it into your theme folder found in this path. So basically, in your WordPress folder, you will find this WP content, and there is the plugins and themes. So basically, you need to take the templates and add them or paste them into the themes, and by that, you will be able to replicate the changes that you had to the previous templates, and you will be able to fix this problem. So thank you for watching and see you next time.